Have you ever heard someone say, "Let's go inside to get some fresh air"? Probably not, and it's for good reason. According to the EPA, indoor air is often 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. In fact, many senior living buildings could be harmful to resident, staff, and visitor health without us ever knowing. Hidden molds, off-gassing from chemicals or furniture, even people are just a few of the sources that degrade indoor air quality. So it's no wonder we go outside for fresh air. Outdoors, naturally occurring ions are everywhere and are constantly working to clean the air. Ions are created with energy from rushing water, crashing waves, and even sunlight. Unfortunately, the concentration of these naturally occurring ions is much lower indoors, where particles are often suspended in the air. These particles can include dust, dander, pollen, smoke, and even pathogens such as mold, viruses, and bacteria. The risks associated with inhaling bacteria and viruses may seem obvious, but even common dust and dander can cause respiratory issues or worsen pre-existing conditions such as asthma and allergies. There's still hope for indoor air quality though, thanks to ionization. Patented Needlepoint Bipolar Ionization technology from Global Plasma Solutions safely introduces ions into the airstream using the airflow in your existing ventilation system as the delivery method. When these ions disperse throughout a space, such as a resident's room or a dining area, they combine with particles suspended in the air. This creates a snowball effect in which particles of opposite polarity begin to cluster together. As these larger clusters pass back through the HVAC return, they're easier to capture in the filtration system. Needlepoint Bipolar Ionization's cleaning process is also effective against pathogens, as contact with ions disrupt pathogen surface proteins, rendering them inactive. Other common indoor air pollutants include VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. There are hundreds of types of VOCs that are created by common items, such as cleaning chemicals. Ionization is effective at tackling VOCs as well as odors, such as those lingering around nearby trash. Through Global Plasma Solutions' patented technology, VOCs and odors are broken down into basic, harmless compounds, leaving the air smelling fresh and clean. You can also feel confident knowing that, unlike many other products, Needlepoint Bipolar Ionization's cleaning process will not introduce ozone or other harmful byproducts into the air your residents, staff, and visitors breathe. Today, this technology is trusted to safely clean the air in hundreds of thousands of installations, including senior living buildings, offices, schools, airports, hospitals, and other community spaces around the world. So now we can go inside to get some fresh air.